Guys, I bought a AC compressor from Amazon, and this is how it comes. When it comes, it looks like this. The reason I'm doing this video is so that when you see it, if you're trying to do it by yourself, you should not be wondering why it's different. Because the original one in the car looks like this, and actually this is a Honda Ridgeline 2007. So it looks like this. What you need to do is take this piece, this is an adapter piece, you take it out from the old AC compressor and you install it over here. So I'm just gonna when I move it, I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it's on here, but it's gonna be exactly like this. So just doing this video so that when you see it, you're not confused, you're not wondering why this piece comes different compared to this piece. It's an adapter. It makes it easier for the compressor pressure pipes to be able to go around these other pipes. And since it's very tight, so we use this to move it, make it possible for the pipes to be attached without issues. To switch this piece out to the new compressor, you need to take out this bowl as well as this bowl. When you see this bowl, how to put it inside this bowl, it's difficult to get anything and take the bowl out with it. So I have to go to the store to get this tool. If you want to do this by yourself, you have to get this tool. And in this tool, you're going to be looking for 732s. You need 732s to be able to switch this piece out to the new one. Pay attention to the seal that goes here. There are actually 3 seals on this compressor. So you want to pay attention to the seal because they're going to break. So what you want to do is go to the store and look for this. The TMPS Select. There's a rapid seal AC system. For AC system, they are sorted. They're different ones, and so you're going to look through and see the one that works for your compressor. You can use it for many other things in the car. That's why there are just many of them are sorted ones. So make sure you replace those seals when you're replacing your AC compressor.